Welcome. In front of me I have TECLAST P20HD and I will show you how we can enable location tags on the photos. So you have to go for the camera. Next you have to swipe just like that from the left edge. Let's cache focus here. OK. Tap on the right up corner on the settings, and here we got the resolution, the quality, and the save location. Of course we have to tap on the switcher, and right now when we enable location on our TECLAST, just like that. Okay, there we got no location on the shortcut, so we have to go for the settings. And there we got the location. So when you enable the location like that, and when you take a photo, the exact location will be displayed in the photo details. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.